In this video, I will present a solution of 1 minus 10 times 1 minus 10. Generally, the people do 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9, and 1 minus 10 is equal to minus 9. Here is no flying, so we will put multiplication sign, and minus minus it will become plus, and 9 times 9 will be equal to 81. 81 will be their answer, but it is wrong. Now I will solve it by correct method. Question is 1 minus 10 times 1 minus 10. We have to follow order of operation according to PEMDAS principle. What is PEMDAS? First of all, we have to solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division. Both have same priority, then addition, then subtraction. So, we have to solve parentheses first. 1 minus 10 times 1 minus 10 will be equal to minus 9. Okay, now we have solved parentheses, and now there is subtraction and multiplication, and according to this rule, multiplication is first solved. So here is multiplication, so we will solve minus times minus, it will be plus, and 10 times 9, it will be 90. So our answer will be equal to 91. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.